indicator at 10032. So there's our long setup, and this happens almost every single day. We either get a break up or down, and just beautifully the trend trader sets up. So what we're looking for is, and we spoke about it in the session earlier today, we're looking for an opportunity to sell this market. Now, unless we get the double top or resistance set up, then really we can't use the cycle trader to get in here, can we? So it's just a case of running our trade up on a trailing stop, and we would get knocked out. So in at 32, out there at, say, because we're using probably a 2 to 6 point stop, so we take that out at 67. So we've got 35 there. So that's not too bad at all. So plus 35 on that move. Now what we want to see is we want to grab the counter trend to see if that gave us an opportunity to get short. So let's have a look at our counter trend play. Gets to around this area here. Now on our on a counter trend setup, we're looking for an opportunity to get short, and the opportunity is going to have to come where we break that. So we're looking for a double top or a higher low. So ideally on the trade setup, we would be looking to take the trade if we get the double top, higher low, or we need to see price divergence plus the volume spike and volume divergence, and we've got that there. So you can see here it sets up nicely here and crosses our moving average line. So there's the short. It does set up a little bit before that as well. So if we open this up a bit, and we'll see what happened. So there's the trade. There's an initial sell here that breaks. Just have a look at that there. There it is there at 52. That's the initial sell. So I've said this a few times, always looking for the second attempt. That's the higher probability setup. So the second attempt, so there's the first attempt at it. Mark that there. And the second attempt sell, it gets broken. There's the second attempt sell at 41, and that just coincides with the market coming off there. So really what you're looking for ideally is a double top or a lower high. You're looking for volume spike, volume divergence, and you want to try to have that second attempt. So if we get that, we're usually in a pretty good position to set the trade setup. So we don't really want to take the first attempt buy or sell on the counter trend play, and you see that runs down and consolidates. So then it gets short here. So that trade setup short is at 436. So we'll push this over. There's the 436. So here's the buy, but the only trouble is we've got volume spike, volume divergence, but this is the first attempt, so we wouldn't be taking that trade, although it does end up being a great little push up, but it's not too bad because we actually get set up on that in the trend setup. So, and that also sets up outside our time frame. So remember that 5 o'clock's our finish, so we miss out on that one. So this would have been a good setup had we have got the setup with a double bottom or some type of level lower high here to higher low, sorry, to get into the trade. So that's really been crude today. Pushes up to that. We'll insert our